Hi guys, and welcome to a video. And today on my channel I'll be doing something way different today, something better, because my other attempts at doing Roblox on this have, well, not gone so well. So today I'm going to be doing something that I'm better at, and not that I will completely fail at. Alright, so today I'm in a remake of Friday Night Funkin'. It's called Funky Friday, if you want to check that out. And today I'm going to be doing something that, well, I haven't done before, though I've been practicing, so I can do it now. Enjoy. This is not a bot, by the way. I'm the one on the left, by the way. This is more like controlled madness, like with an actual rhythm. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Also, by the way, I am starting a slime shop. It's not very good at the moment, but it will be improving soon. And thank you for watching. As always, goodbye.